The Alabama Hospital Association is asking state legislators for help. Health officials say 15 hospitals are at risk of closing due to financial struggles.
WAAY 31's Matt Paskowitz is live in Huntsville. Matt, hospital leaders say 2022 was the worst year financially for them since the beginning of the pandemic.
Hey, Dan and Marie. Yeah, a new report from the Alabama Hospital Association shows hospitals across the state have lost more than $1.5 billion since the beginning of the pandemic. And now health leaders are saying without additional funding coming directly from the state, they're saying some hospitals may have no choice but to close.
If we do nothing, we're going to have 15 fewer hospitals, I suspect, in 2 years, and probably more than that.
The Alabama Hospital Association is raising the alarm. A new statewide report on the entire state's hospital's finances shows troubling evidence.
I think I had underestimated, frankly, how bad the situation was, even with the federal money that the hospitals received.
Since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, hospitals across the state have lost $1.5 billion, with 50% of hospitals running on a negative margin.
You can't lose $1.5 billion over 3 years when you already had nearly zero margins.
Williamson said the pandemic exacerbated hospitals' ongoing issues, specifically lack of staffing. With so many hospitals struggling to just stay afloat, the State Hospital Association is urging state legislators to give them some of the billions of dollars of COVID-19 stimulus funding available.
We're not asking, obviously, for all of the ARPA funds. What we're asking for is enough to buy us time to try to address some of the other structural underlying challenges.
Without more funding, Williamson says state hospitals are on a collision course with disaster.
Without short-term relief, we're going to find communities without health care.
The Alabama Hospital Association will not, however, release the names of those 15 hospitals or their locations. And they say they're concerned if they do, employees at those hospitals might consider leaving, or worse, patients will no longer go to those hospitals and might go somewhere else. Reporting live in Huntsville, I'm Matt Paskowitz, WAAY 31 News.